fresh out the box, then you gotta keep them clean. There's that knowledge in your wall when you step on the scene. Kicknology, you gotta be smart when you shop. Are you looking for authentic? If you aren't, then stop, cause you probably will regret it. We say no synthetic, no synthetic. If they ready, we'll let you know if you should go and get them. We got.
Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It is your boy Truth, man. As you could tell by the B-roll, today we're gonna be reviewing the Kobe 9 Elite Masterpiece. These things recently dropped and I have them right here for you guys. Unfortunately, they are a size 13, so I will not be doing their own feet and they're not my pair, so I try not to stick my foot in other people's sneakers like that. But I do want to give you guys a detailed look and review of this sneaker if you're thinking about purchasing it for yourself. But before we get off into this content, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button for your boy. I would greatly appreciate it. Make sure you hit that like button, do all those great things, comment, share. You guys are killing it, and I greatly appreciate it. I'm gonna continue to drop content for you guys, all type of sneakers, whatever it is that you are interested in seeing. Make sure you guys comment below, and I will try to incorporate it into the channel. Now, with all that out of the way, let's talk about this sneaker. So this is a sneaker that dropped 2017, and I think this is the first retro, if I'm not mistaken, or Protro since that original release. And it's one of those things, the Kobe 9 model itself, especially this high. The lows get a lot more love, but this high a lot of people don't like because they don't like this upper. This upper is, they say it looks like a boxing sneaker. They say it's hard to style if you're gonna wear a lifestyle. And even from a performance standpoint, I've heard a lot of people say that they don't like the hoop in them, but I think that's recently. In the past, I feel like a lot of people like the hoop in these things, but now because everybody's so adamant about hooping in lows and that's all you kind of see, people are just going with the trends. But I would say try the lows, try the highs, and whatever it is that you like to hoop in that you feel more comfortable in getting, cop it, is your money. But let's go ahead and start with this box first. This box is massive because it reminds me of a Jordan 12 box, which I don't know why they put the Jordan 12s in a big box, but I understand why they put these in the big boxes because the shoes themselves are massive. But as you guys can see here, we have the Kobe logo on the box with the signature. They did stick with the reptilian skin on there, predominantly black box. As we open up the box, we have just the white paper in there. I don't know if it's a quality control sticker. I don't see anything. And then we have the size tag right here. I'm not going to read it, but as it focuses, I hope you guys can just pause the video if you want to legit check them or check out the color code or anything like that. Retail for these things was $230, I think, with taxes and shipping and stuff like that, probably like $240. But let's go ahead and take a look at this sneaker, man. So as you guys can see right here, we have the standard Kobe 9 Elite high-end. This thing is durable, man. This is a very solid sneaker. It's lightweight, it's not heavy, but this leather upper, as you guys can see on the tongue, one thing about this colorway is that tongue has that kind of chameleon look on the tongue right there. You have the neon Mamba logo. You have the Kobe in red, Kobe signature in red. Going across the back side of this sneaker, as you guys can see right here, it looks like a marble plastic pieces right here that goes into this sock, thick sock right here that's going around it. The whole upper, this section is not your standard material. It's more like a sock material, but real thick fabric. As you guys can see right here, we have the Achilles marks on the back end to represent when Kobe had his tear in the stitches and from his surgery. And then across the top, it says KB9, standing for KB9, of course. And then right there, you do see that Mamba logo right there as well. And then it's a little bit of marble spickle spackle paint right there. As we continue on the inner side of the shoe, a little carbon fiber right here on the inner side. In the outer side, I didn't mention that, but that's standard on all the Kobe 9s. And then we have this fly knit, fly weave upper, and it's going to be that multicolor. And a lot of people like that about this sneaker, just a different colorway. And Kobe did actually wear these. You have black laces in them, as you guys can see right here. Across the toe box, it's the same multicolor thing right there. On the bottom, you have some great traction. You have the Kobe logo in that neon right there. And then of course on the side, in the inner side of the shoe, you do have this Nike swoosh, and I'm not sure if that's 3M or not. I don't think it is, but it's just like a silver swoosh right there. And then it's the exact same thing on the other one, as you guys can see right here. Not a bad sneaker at all. They are sitting on some websites, especially in the smaller sizes. I think from like size 10 down. I'll try to show you guys. On the inner side right here, it does have Masterpiece on the inner side with the Kobe on the inside of the tongue. This tongue is super thick, you guys. Super thick, but this is not tight. This is not a tight, stiff material. It's flexible, it's movable. So if you do want to hoop in these, I'm telling you guys can actually do it. And I do think you can wear these lifestyle. You just got to know what you're doing. You know what I'm saying? You can't just pull these out and just throw them on and just be like, oh yeah, boom, I'm gonna rock these. But let me show you guys. I do think it has a drop insole in them, and I'm gonna show that to you guys, and then we'll talk about the sizing while I do that. So sizing, I'm gonna say go a half a size to full size up. Like I said, yeah, it does have this drop insole in it, as you guys can see right here, super thick, that React. I see if my camera pick it up, but as you guys can see right there, it does say React on it. You have Kobe written right there on that side, and then just great traction on these things. Super support, as you can see the ridges on it and how it dips. Your foot is gonna fit in there. So very good shoe to hoop in. But sizing wise, do not go true to size on these things. I promise you, you'll regret it and you'll waste your money. So make sure you guys are actually going a half a size to full size up. But y'all comment down below and let me know what your thoughts and opinions. Just looking at these things, this is something that I feel like is dope. And the resale is actually going down on them. So that means that you guys should be able to get these things if you want them for a pretty decent price, especially if it's something that you want to hoop in and this is a sneaker that you wanted to add to your collection. This is a silhouette that you have to absolutely love to want to purchase and keep. And I think that's what's impacting the resale when it comes to that. And I like that, because that means if you actually want to get a Kobe or this particular model, you're able to get it. But y'all comment down below and let me know what y'all thoughts and opinions are. I appreciate you guys for tapping in. Make sure you hit that like button on this video. Comment down below and let me know. Give me an emoji down below what y'all think about the Kobe 9 Elite Masterpiece, and what other colorways in the Kobe 9 Elite highs would you guys like to see them Protro. That's all I got for you guys today. Y'all already know the saying, man. Rock what you like, not what's hype. And remember, everything we talk about, including these Kobe's, just bait. Wait for me to share my faith. I'm going to catch y'all in the next video. Peace.